Let's make the half double crochet. So I have my foundation chains, and in order to do a half double crochet, we're going to skip 2 chains and insert into the third. So skip 1, skip 2, and into the third. We're going to dip down, bring back a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, and pull through all 3. So again, yarn over, dip down, bring back a loop, yarn over, and pull through all 3. And that's your half double crochet. So let's try that again. Yarn over, dip down, bring back a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, and pull through all 3. So this is half double crochet. So let's practice. Okay, to turn, chain 2, 1, 2, turn like a book, yarn over. Now there are 2 places that I could put my hook. Well, there are more than 2 places, but technically I could put it in here, or I could put it in the back loop only. And depending on what I do, I'm going to get a different result. So we're going to go across just putting it right here, and I'll show you the difference that it makes. I'm at the end, so I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, turn like a book, yarn over, and make our stitch, the half double crochet. There you go. Let's do one more row. Chain 2, turn like a book, and we're at the end. Chain 2, and see what's happening. So it's making this ridge, 1 line ridge across. Now if we were to put the hook in the back loop, this is what would happen. So I yarn over, and I'm going to go just in the back loop, yarn over, down, bring back, loop, all through. And immediately we can see what happens when you do the back loop. Then you have 2 ridges going across. So when you're just doing it in the front, you get 1 ridge. If you do it in the back, you get 2 ridges. So you definitely have different effects. Okay, so this is your half double crochet. Practice away. You can make a scarf, a washcloth, all kinds of different things with a half double crochet.